Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains errors. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit, find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my case boot drive is C and Windows installed drive is D drive. Type disk part. Type list disk. No star under GPT indicates the partition is MBR or BIOS. Type bootrec space, /fix MBR. Type bootrec space, /fix boot, if any error use bootsec space, /nt60 space, SYS. Attrib C colon /boot /bcd space, -h space, -r space, -s. Type ren space, C colon /boot /bcd space, bcd17.old. Type bootrec space, /rebuild BCD. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive colon /Windows space, /s space, boot drive colon space, /f space, all. Second method is boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system is GPT or UEFI. Select your system partition. Assign letter equal to N. Type bootrec space /fix mbr. Type bootrec space /fix boot. If any error, use bootsec space /nt60 space sys. Attrib space ncolan /efi /microsoft /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s. ren space ncolan /efi /microsoft /boot /bcd space bcd20.old. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd. Windows installed drive is C. Type bcd boot space Windows installed drive colan /Windows space /s space ncolan space /f space all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.